Welcome to Reset Brain and Body's first location and headquarters, our office in downtown Plymouth. Here you'll find us on a bold journey to revolutionize mental health care, going beyond traditional talk therapy to integrate both the mind and body in our therapeutic approaches. Our team provides both virtual and in-person care through a variety of modalities, including creative expression therapy, somatic and movement-based therapy, and deep healing and trauma therapies, such as EMDR. When you choose to work with us, we strive to share the tools and resources that will allow you to experience the holistic benefits of a more mindful lifestyle, even long after you've left our office. If you're interested in healing and growing with one of our skilled therapists, fill out the client inquiry form on our website. We look forward to seeing you at our office, located at 260 South Union Street, sometime very soon.